Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 316. If we start with this top row, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 6. 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box, we're missing 7 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 5. 3 here, so 8, 3. That 8 makes this our 7, 8. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this column, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this column, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 6, 6 here, so 1, 3, 1 here, so 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 1. That 5 makes this our 6, 5. That 6 makes this our 3, 1, 6. For this box now, we're just missing an 8. For this box, we're missing 3 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this row, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 2 here and a 9 here, so this is our 7. That 9 makes this our 2, 9. For this bottom row, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this column now, we're missing 7 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. For this column, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got the 4 here, so 7, 4. That 7 makes this our 9, 7. And that 7 makes this our 3, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 3. 8 here, so 9 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.